Hello everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is May 30th, 2025, and we're diving into Bitcoin, analyzing both the latest news and its chart patterns to determine the next likely moves. Bitcoin's price has been fluctuating recently, so let's get right into it. First, let's cover some of the recent news headlines. According to CoinDesk, Bitcoin briefly dipped below $106,000, but analysts are still predicting a run to $200,000 sometime this year. Vice President J.D. Vance is becoming more and more of a crypto advocate based on his remarks in a recent conference. GameStop has also begun investing in Bitcoin, purchasing a significant amount of Bitcoin, which could bolster institutional interest. Let's switch over to the daily chart to analyze the price action. As you can see, Bitcoin has experienced significant volatility over the past several months, bouncing between $40,000 and $70,000 up until the start of March 2024, where a bull run began until peaking at around $73,000. Then after March 2024, it started ranging all the way up to now. As of today, it looks like Bitcoin is sitting around $68,000. It seems that the news has had significant impact as Bitcoin is seeing another leg up in the overall ranging pattern, with some resistance forming around 71,000, but it has the potential to break that resistance and test even higher levels. Key levels to watch are that resistance point and the recent support levels, as well as overall volume. The news of GameStop investing in Bitcoin could be a contributing factor in this recent price increase, as that should lead to more institutional investment. Zooming in on the last few months on the one-day chart shows consolidation, as well as the start of a bullish trend. The breakout above $70,000 and a potential retest of the 2024 all-time high could be on the horizon. It's important to note that a close above $71,000 with increasing volume would validate a bullish outlook, while failure to do so could indicate a potential pullback to lower support levels. Now, let's examine the one-hour chart for a shorter-term perspective. We can see more granular price movements. Recent support levels are forming in the 67,000 to 68,000 range, which could be good areas to look for long positions if Bitcoin dips down to those levels. There's immediate resistance at the $69,000 and $70,000 levels, so breaking those levels would likely be bullish. Looking closer with the 15-minute chart, it's showing volatility. It seems more ranging sideways now. If we see a break above that $69,000 level with momentum, a short-term bullish scenario becomes more likely. However, if we break below $67,000 with substantial volume, then a short-term bearish scenario is probable. Ultimately, this is just an analysis on May 30th, 2025. Market conditions change, so keep up to date on the news and Bitcoin's price action, and make sure to react accordingly.